Why should microlearning be a part of your learning design? Think about it. How did you learn to cook, or cycle, or paint, or do math, or speak on a stage? If you're like most people, chances are that you couldn't master any of these in one go or on your first attempt. You tried, you failed, you tried again, you did a wee bit better. You kept practicing many times, spaced over days, months, and even years, before you could claim mastery on any one of those skills. Do you agree? Why is it then that when it comes to designing corporate learning programs, we assume that if we send learners to attend one learning workshop, they'll pick up everything magically? Is it reasonable to think that someone can be proficient without practice? The answer is a big no. In fact, research indicates that almost 80% of what we have learned can be lost in the first 30 days. So without deliberate practice that is spaced out over time, there's not much hope for your training intervention to deliver on the expected ROI. A LinkedIn research of 4,000 plus L&D and business professionals revealed that getting employees to make more time for learning was the #1 challenge in improving workplace learning. And among the learners who responded, 58% wanted to learn at their own pace, and 49% wanted to learn in the flow of work. Microlearning addresses both these challenges of learning discovery and much more sufficiently by 1. Helping learners to practice what they learned at a workshop in a spaced manner over a period of time. 2. Making bite-sized learning available at their convenience and when they want it through their cell phones. 3. Providing an easy way for social learning. 4. Introducing game mechanics like leaderboards that make learning more fun and engaging. 5. Providing a user's analytics dashboard to the L&D team to track real-time progress of each learner. Rethink your learning programs in a more holistic way to align with how people actually learn. If you would like to explore how the best learning organizations across the world are utilizing microlearning to ensure better ROI for their learning budgets, let us talk. Contact us today for free trials. Hello@FocusU.com. Bonjour@FocusU.com.